back in the garage on this Saturday. It's about noontime. I'm going to sand on the radiator support, get it ready to paint. I've put the weather strips on the doors, and they were for a coupe car, so when I get down to the last little bit, I will trim them to fit. Wasn't going to trim them until I got ready to put the top pieces on of the weather strip. And I'm also going to sand the inside of the trunk and get it ready to paint. I'm going to try my best to paint it tomorrow. Okay, I got the radiator support stripped down, sanded, and reprimed. I also took the tail light lens off. I'm going to clean the tail light housings and paint them black, and I have a new set of tail light lenses to put on. That way when I get ready to put the rear bumper and stuff on, I'll have the tail lights ready. I've taken a bunch of stuff off of the inner fender wells. Getting ready to do some Scotch-Brighting and cleaning. Got everything that I can get off. It'll just be the way it is for now. Now I'm going to paint the radiator support. Got a shadow in it, but the sun's on my back. It's warm in the sun, it's cold in the shade. But okay, I've got 2 coats of red on the inner aprons and the radiator support. I'm going to look after this flashes and see if I need to put another coat on it. Okay, I'm out here at the donor car. I shortened my hood prop rod by that much so that I wouldn't be any danger of hitting the cowl hood on the cowl screen when I open it up. Which that's just a little safety precaution on my part. Ended up putting 3 coats on. Got it covered real good. Doesn't look too bad to have had the engine stuff still in it. Kind of impressed me that I could still do this. It's been so long since I have painted anything. I guess it might be like riding a bicycle. I don't guess you ever really forget. So now all I gotta do is just let this dry, and I'll untape it. May untape it tomorrow night after I come back from Cambridge Square. Now I could say I'm really on the downhill swing. I put everything back under the hood that I took off, unhooked today. I've got the bolts soaking in some acid stuff that'll turn the rust on them into black primer. That way they'll be black again. I'm going to put a lot of new bolts in that shows. I think I'm going to go with stainless on the inner fenders where the fenders bolt on. If I don't like them, I can always change them.